Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find lost phone with Gmail account. It will be really simple and easy. The theory of this process is that if you have a Gmail account through which you are signed into a particular device, let's say if your phone and if it's lost, then using that Gmail account and any other device, you can actually find that particular device. Process will be very simple. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. Click on the profile picture in the top right. Go to manage your Gmail account. Go to security. And once you are in security, scroll all the way to your devices and click on find a lost device.
And you will see this kind of interface. Just select your device you want to find. Let's say I'm going for this Technocamen 30s. Click on it. Now here you can see your location here in the map, or what else you can do is you have these three options. You can play a sound, you can secure your device, or if you can't find it, you can factory reset your device so you can erase your data from that device. So if the mobile is near to you, you can easily play a sound, it will ring and you can easily find it, or you can go for this secure device. Or if you can't find it after all these things, you can easily factory reset your device. As you can see, you can do these things to secure your device if you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to find lost device through Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.